The Marabou stork stands out in the animal kingdom, not for its beauty, but for its striking, almost eerie appearance. With its bald head, long legs, and imposing stature, it's a bird that's hard to ignore. Towering as tall as a human child, with a wingspan over 3 meters, it's one of the largest flying birds on Earth. When it spreads its wings, the sheer scale is breathtaking, casting a shadow that can startle even seasoned wildlife watchers. Its bare, pinkish head and neck are practical adaptations for a scavenger, keeping it clean as it feeds on carcasses. This lack of feathers prevents bacteria and bits of flesh from sticking, making it perfectly suited for its role in the wild. The long, inflatable gular sac hanging from its neck isn't for food storage, but likely helps in courtship and temperature regulation. During the breeding season, this sac becomes even more prominent, playing a key role in attracting mates. Its white-looking legs? That's not feathers, but a cooling trick, coated in its own droppings to beat the African heat. This unusual behavior, called urohydrosis, helps the stork regulate its body temperature in the scorching sun. These features, combined with its dark wings and hunched posture, have earned it the nickname, the undertaker bird. Its somber silhouette is unmistakable as it stalks the savanna. But there's more to the marabou than its grim look. In groups, these birds display surprising social intelligence and complex interactions. Its powerful bill can tear through tough hides and bones, and its sharp gaze is always alert for opportunity. The marabou is both patient and cunning, waiting for just the right moment to strike. While it lacks the vibrant colors of other birds, the marabou stork commands respect with its stoic presence. Its calm demeanor belies a bird perfectly adapted to thrive in harsh environments. In nature, function shapes form, and the marabou is a masterclass in survival design. Every feature, from its beak to its feet, serves a purpose honed by evolution. Its resilience and intelligence make it a vital part of its ecosystem. By cleaning up carrion, it helps prevent the spread of disease and supports the balance of life on the savanna. To truly appreciate this bird, we must look past appearances and see the marvel of evolution it represents, a testament to nature's ingenuity and the beauty found in adaptation. The Marabou stork is a true African native, thriving from Senegal to South Africa. Its adaptability is legendary, flourishing in open savannas, wetlands, and even bustling cities. On the grasslands, it follows migrating herds, waiting for nature's opportunities. In wetlands, it wades through shallows, hunting fish and frogs, and nests among reeds and trees. But perhaps most surprising, marabous have become urban dwellers, scavenging at fishing ports and landfills. Human waste provides an easy feast for these opportunists. This flexibility is key to their success. While many birds are specialists, the marabou is a generalist, able to thrive wherever food is found. Whether soaring above the Serengeti or picking through city refuse, it's a master of survival. The marabou's ability to adapt to any environment is a testament to its resilience. It's a reminder of how wildlife can turn our changing world into new opportunities. The marabou stork is the ultimate opportunist, making the most of every situation. The marabou stork's diet is as varied as its habitats. This remarkable bird is found in wetlands, grasslands, and even near human settlements, always on the lookout for its next meal. Above all, it's a scavenger, perfectly adapted to take advantage of whatever food is available, no matter how unappetizing it may seem to us. Alongside vultures and hyenas, it cleans up carcasses, using its powerful dagger-like bill to access scraps and tissues that others can't reach, playing a vital role in the ecosystem by preventing the spread of disease. But it's not just a scavenger, it's also a skilled and opportunistic hunter, snatching fish from shallow waters, devouring frogs, and even raiding the nests of other birds for eggs and helpless chicks. It will eat almost anything: small mammals, reptiles, insects, and even human refuse, demonstrating a remarkable ability to adapt to changing environments and food sources. Marabous often feed communally, tolerating each other as they toss food into their throats and swallow it whole, sometimes competing for the best morsels in a noisy, bustling group. Their digestive systems are built to handle bacteria and toxins that would kill most animals, allowing them to thrive on decaying flesh and spoiled food. During locust swarms or grass fires, they gather in impressive numbers, feasting on insects and small animals fleeing the flames, taking full advantage of nature's chaos. The marabou doesn't just wait for food, it actively seeks out opportunities, using intelligence, patience, and keen observation to find its next meal. This blend of scavenging, hunting, and clever foraging makes it one of Africa's most successful and adaptable birds, able to survive in even the harshest conditions. The Marabou stork is a true survivor, thriving on whatever the world provides, and standing as a testament to nature's ingenuity and resilience. Marabou storks are social birds, rarely alone for long. They gather in large colonies, resting, feeding, and nesting together for safety and companionship. During the day, you'll see dozens or even hundreds standing together, conserving energy and watching for threats. Communication is mostly silent. Lacking a true voice box, they rely on bill clattering, guttural croaks, and dramatic postures. Bill clattering is key, used in greetings, warnings, and especially courtship. The inflation of the gular sac and wing displays add to their visual language. Within the colony, monogamous pairs form strong bonds, often lasting for years. A loose hierarchy exists, with size and aggression determining access to the best spots. Observing a marabou colony is like watching a silent drama, full of subtle gestures and complex social lives. Their cooperative living is a big part of what makes them so successful across Africa. The dry season signals breeding time for marabou storks, perfectly timed as prey becomes concentrated in shrinking waterholes. They gather in massive colonies, often in tall trees or on cliffs, with hundreds of pairs nesting together. Courtship is a spectacle. Males inflate their gular sacs, produce guttural moans, and perform loud, bill-clattering displays. A receptive female joins in, and the pair cements their bond with mutual preening and synchronized clattering. Together, they build a large, untidy nest of sticks high above the ground, safe from predators. The male gathers materials. The female arranges them into a sturdy platform. Nests are reused and expanded each year, growing larger over time. The nest's soft lining of twigs and leaves helps regulate temperature and protect the eggs. The entire process is a testament to their strong pair bonds and cooperative nature. The colony buzzes with activity, a symphony of clattering bills and the promise of new life. In the nest, the female lays 2 to 3 eggs, carefully placing them in a bed of sticks and soft materials. Both parents share incubation duties for about a month, taking turns to ensure the eggs are never left unattended. They shield the eggs from the harsh sun and lurking predators, always alert and watchful. Sometimes they even cool the eggs with water carried delicately in their bills, a unique adaptation to the African heat. When the chicks hatch, they're blind, helpless, and completely dependent on their parents for food, warmth, and protection. Both parents tirelessly forage, returning to the nest to regurgitate meals for their hungry young, sometimes several times a day. As the chicks grow, so does their appetite, putting increasing pressure on the adults to keep up with their demands. The nest is a dangerous place, with threats from predators, harsh weather, and even rival storks. But the parents are fiercely protective, defending their young with powerful beaks and intimidating displays. As weeks pass, chicks develop flight feathers and begin to practice flapping, strengthening their wings for the journey ahead. After nearly 4 months, they prepare for their first flight, a milestone that marks the start of their independence. Even after fledging, the young storks rely on their parents for several more weeks, learning essential survival skills. They watch and imitate, gradually mastering the art of foraging and finding food on their own. This long period of care ensures the young are well prepared for life's many challenges outside the nest. Raising a marabou chick is a marathon of dedication and teamwork, requiring constant vigilance and cooperation. It's a slow, careful journey to independence, with each step guided by the parents' experience. But in the end, this patient upbringing gives the next generation a fighting chance to thrive in the wild. Every creature has a role, and the marabou stork is nature's cleanup crew. By consuming carcasses, it prevents the spread of disease and keeps ecosystems healthy. Its robust digestion neutralizes harmful bacteria, protecting wildlife and even nearby human communities. In cities, marabous help manage waste, reducing pests and disease risks. They also recycle nutrients, returning them to the soil through their droppings, enriching the land for plants and herbivores. Without scavengers like the marabou, decomposition would slow and disease would spread. These birds are essential to the balance of African ecosystems. They're not just survivors, they're sanitation engineers, recyclers, and vital links in the web of life. Their value goes far beyond their unusual looks. The marabou stork may not win beauty contests, But it's a bird of character, resilience, and ecological importance. Its adaptability has allowed it to thrive across Africa, from wild plains to city edges. Thankfully, marabou populations are stable, thanks to their flexibility and ability to live alongside humans. But threats remain. Habitat loss, pollution, and plastic waste all pose risks to their future. Healthy marabou colonies signal healthy ecosystems. Conservation starts with curiosity and respect. When we understand a species, we care about its fate. The marabou story is one of ingenuity, devotion, and ecological significance. By protecting their habitats and reducing waste, we help keep ecosystems strong. Next time you see a marabou, look past its appearance. See the survivor, the parent, the essential cleaner. It's a remarkable bird, deserving of admiration and protection. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wildlife wonders.